Hi, take care of yourself. Life will continue with or without you. We run behind success, money, targets, and responsibility. And many times we ignore sleep, good health, peace of mind, and family time. But here is the truth life will continue with or without you. Your position will be replaced, market will move on, world will not stop. But your family will fill your absence forever. So take care of yourself, protect your peace of mind, respect yourself. Success is meaningless if you can't enjoy it. So prioritize for yourself, not selfishly, but responsibly. We are in this world earth for a limited time. We don't know what may come tomorrow. Our resources I will be there, here and there only. We are just for a few minutes in this world. Don't so much keep yourself behind success, success, success. When you lose your health, and success is completely meaningless if you can't enjoy your life. If today you are not there, nothing going to stop. Things will continue as it is. Only your family going to miss your absence forever. So life is not like ATM card. I go and withdraw. It's a limited time. So give your time to your family equally. Step out with the family. Enjoy the world. Enjoy new places. Learn with them. Spend time with them. Success will come. Money will come. Everything come over a time. But you don't run so much on behind. You lose your mental health. Health is wealth. If you have everything and you can't enjoy it, is that a success? Tell me. No. So take care of yourself. Prioritize what's important. Equally family time. Take care of your health, peace of mind, and not selfishly, but responsibly.